Where is Cordy? Where's Cordy? Where in the world did Cordy go? Cordy! Cordelia! Ah! How'd you get in there? Cordy, come out of there. Cordy! Ah! Say tickle, tickle. Say tickle, tickle. Where's Cordy? Hey, I want my baby. What are you doing in there? Oh my goodness, look at your hair. Looks like Raggedy Ann. What's Mama making? Yummo, estofado. Hey? Cordy, where? Cordelia Marie, come out of there. Cordy, you are really like your mama. Cordy? Come on. Oh my goodness. Dad? Where's Cordelia? Come here. Cordy, hide, hide. Dad? Daddy, have you seen Cordy? Where's Cordy?
Where's Cordy?
She has a new trick, Dad.